How's it going, guys? Today is Wednesday and I have a event tonight. It's a track day at iCar Mirabel and my car is running a bit low on .4 because my brakes need to be changed. Long story in itself. But I'm gonna go get some brake fluid at Canadian Tire because I kind of like being able to stop. So let's go do that. So this is actually a new kind of vlog thing I'm trying out. So probably not gonna get many views, but some people said they would like to see it, so I'm just trying it out and give you a look into some of the things I do behind the scenes of the videos. Every Wednesday night from about 5 to 9 at iCar, they have drag and time attack, which is basically autocross, and a drift, not drifting today actually. But it's a really fun time for car enthusiasts who want to take their cars on the track. I'm going to probably be recording some of my drags or time attacks or those kinds of things. And yeah, you guys will probably see it by the time this video comes out, which I'll probably try to get it out today. You guys will probably see it not this Saturday, but the Saturday after that. I already have a video planned for this Saturday, so... Is she gonna shift well? Okay, that was a good shift. We're in the Subaru today, guys. I just got my second dose of the vaccine yesterday, so we're still seeing how that's gonna go. I'm still alive. Here's something nifty about the Subaru though. I make a lot of jokes about this car because it's got an EJ20 instead of a 25, and it's really, really slow. Like, really slow. She'll launch pretty good, but then after half a second all the enjoyment's gone because it's got no horsepower. I mean, it's a daily, obviously, whatever, it doesn't matter, but so yeah, something nifty about it. It has an EJ20, and after talking to quite a few people, I came to the conclusion, and collectively with people came to the conclusion that, what are you doing? Jeez. That this engine is an EJ20 from Japan, and it's a Japanese instead of a USDM EJ20, which apparently makes it significantly better and more street cred. Also, it means it's probably not gonna blow up tomorrow, maybe the day after, but not tomorrow. So that's kind of neat. I got a interesting little Subaru here. Oh, that's a sick Kia Stinger. Wow. That was like a weird golden wrap color. So I'm gonna be trying to make maybe 1 or 2 vlog videos a week, depending on how they do. They'll probably get like 50 to 100 views. That's my guess. But yeah, we'll see. I'll read the room a little bit and see how well they do. I'll try it out for like at least 2 weeks. Can I go, please? I don't like being in traffic. I've also got a really nifty harness that I ordered from Amazon, which is coming in today, as well as some like Mitsubishi like pads, because the harness is a very inexpensive harness. I paid very little for it. Well, actually YouTube paid very little for it. So yeah, part of that is like, it's very bare bones, doesn't have like pads over here. So I took the liberty of buying some padding, and it should be coming in the next few hours. So hopefully I'll install that, make a quick video on that as well, and have that for the event tonight. That would be great. I might separate it into 2 videos, might not, I don't know, we'll see again. We're just pulling in here. I don't think I'm gonna park too close because I don't want anybody to break into this car and steal the GoPro, because it's worth literally half as much as the car. So yeah, we'll just stay here and let's give her a go. So I ended up getting this Lucas .4. It's the best that I could find right now on a short notice. So yeah, hopefully that works. Get a little startup. She purrs. All right, let's go get it. As you can see, she's pretty low. That's the level. Mind you, we are on a decline, so it's even lower than what it actually is. So I'm gonna try to bring it a little bit, like halfway between where it is now and max. Oh, she's on there. All right. Got a little funnel to make my life easier. Let's give her a bit. Let's see. Like goes up and then it goes down again. Okay, a little more. All right, I think I'm satisfied with that. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Filled up that .4. Hopefully I get a nice video for you guys to track, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.